get into the topic. Key point 1. Key point 1. Divisibility rules. Divisibility rule for 37, 27 and 999. Divisibility rule for 37, 27 and 999. How to find out the divisibility rule of these numbers? Why I took these numbers? Because there is a beautiful concept here. 37 into 27, which is nothing but 999. 37, if I multiply by 27, the result is 999. So if I divide 10 power 3 divided by 37, 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000. 1000 is nothing but 999 plus 1 when divided by 37. 999 is perfectly divisible by 37. So the remainder is 1. Similarly, remainder 1. 10 power 3 is divided by 27. 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000. 1000 can be written as 999 plus 1 when divided by 27. 999 is perfectly divisible by 27. Remainder 1. When it is happening for 37 and 27, it will automatically happen for the multiples of 37 and 27. 10 cube divided by 999 is 10 cube is 999 plus 1 when divided by 111. This is divisible. Answer is 1. 37 into 27 is 999. 37 into 27 is 999. If you multiply 37 with 27, the resultant is 999. 10 cube divided by 37 is 1. 10 cube divided by 27 is 1. 10 cube divided by 999 is 1. First write down these important observations. 10 cube divided by 37 is 1. 10 cube divided by 27 is 1. And 10 cube divided by 999 is 1. Let me call this as concept 1. Concept 1. 10 cube divided by 37 1. 10 cube divided by 27 1. 10 cube divided by 999 1. Now please write down note. We will convert this one into an English statement, then basic problems, then foundation problems, then exercise problems. Now, what is the divisibility rule? What is the divisibility rule for 37, 27? Divisibility rule for 37, 27, 999. The divisibility rule for 37, 27 and 999 is start from unit digit. Start from unit digit. Start from unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. This is the divisibility rule for 37, 27 and 999. Start from the unit digit. Why we are taking a group of 3 digits? Because 10 power 3 divided by 37 is 1. 10 power 3 divided by 37 is 1. Start from unit digit, take a group of 3 digits and add them. Examples. Examples. First one, remainder 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 37. Remainder 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 is divided by 37. So these are nothing but 1 into 10 cube plus 234 divided by 37. 1 into 10 cube plus 234 divided by 37. 10 cube by 37 is 1. So 1 plus 234, which is 235 divided by 37. 37 6 are 222. Answer for this question is 11. Answer for this question is 11. I hope it is clear. Start from unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Start from unit digit, take a group of 3 digits and add them. 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but 1 into 10 cube plus 234 divided by 37. 10 cube by 37 is 1. 234 plus 1 is 235. 37 6 are 222. Remainder is 13. First problem. Second problem. 112 divided by 27. 112 divided by 27. Divisibility rule of 27 is start from the unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. 112 plus 112 is 2 into 112 divided by 27. 27 4s are 108. Remainder is 4. 4 2s are 8. I hope the divisibility rule for 37, 27 and 999 is clear to you. What is the concept? Start from the unit digit. Start from the unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Introductory 2 questions. Now we will solve few more questions. Idea clear, right? I hope the idea is clear. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Third question. Right? Third one. Third question. Remainder 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And so on up to 100 times. 100 times divided by 37. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 100 times divided by 37. See this example. Suppose if it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 times, when I divide by 37, what will be the answer? Start from the unit digit. Take a group of 2 digits. If I take a group of 3 digits, it will become 2 into 123 divided by 37. 37 3s are 111. Remainder is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Take a group of 3 digits. 123. There it is written twice. So it is 2 into 123. Similarly, this answer is if 123 is written 100 times, 100 times 123 is added. So 100 into 123 divided by 37. 37 2s are 74. Remainder is 26. 37 3s are 111. Remainder is 12 divided by 37. Whatever the answer that you get it, that itself is the answer. 2 12 6 are 72. 312 divided by 37. 312 divided by 37. 37 8s are, this will be 6 296. So answer for this question is 16. I hope the idea is clear. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. It is written 100 times when you divide by 37. If 123 is written twice, so the answer is 2 into 123 by 37. If 123 is written 100 times, answer is 100 into 123 divided by 37. 37 2s are 74. 76. 37 3s are 111. It is 12. 12 into 26 divided by 37. I hope it is clear. Third one. Next one. Fourth one. I hope this concept is clear. Please take one more question. One more question. One more question. 1 2 3 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Written 300 digits. Please write down, sir. Written 300 digits. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Written 300 digits. divided by 27. Divided by 27. Third one, I hope the concept is clear. Next, fourth one. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Written 300 digits divided by 27. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 300 digits divided by 27. This is nothing but 123 is a 3-digit number. 123 is a 3-digit number. A 3-digit is written 100 times. 123 is written 100 times. 123 is written 100 times divided by 27. I hope it is clear, right? If 123 is written 2 times, if 123 is written 2 times, this is nothing but 123 is a 3-digit number. 123 is a 3-digit number written twice. If 123 is written thrice, if 123 is written thrice, this is nothing but a 3-digit number written thrice. 3-digit number written thrice. If 123, 123, 300 digits are there. Every 3-digit number has got 3 digits. Every 3-digit number has got 3 digits. 300 divided by 3 is 100 times. So this is the answer for remainder 123 into 100 divided by 27. 123 into 100 divided by 27. I hope the idea is clear. Divisibility rule for 3727. I hope it is clear. If it is clear, kindly reply in the live chat yes, yes, yes before I go to key point number 2. Key point number 1. I hope it is clear. Key point number 1. I hope it is clear. Divisibility rule for 3727 and 999. 3727 and 999. We will do one more question in case if somebody says it is not clear. Idea clear? Everybody. Everybody, it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Right? Please write down one more question. 237 divided by 74. 237 divided by 74. We will apply Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem. It says that write the number as a product of 2 coprimes. Write the number as a product of 2 coprimes. So 74 is nothing but 2 into 37. 2 into 37. So when you divide a number by 2, when you divide a number by 2, odd number divided by 2, it is a remainder 1. Right? When you divide this number by 37, 237 divided by 37, take a group of 3 digits and add it. So these are nothing but 2 into 237 divided by 37. 37 6 are 222. Remaining is 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. This remainder is 30. This remainder is 30. When you divide a number by 2, remainder 1. When you divide a number by 37, remainder is 30. So this is 2a equivalent to 37b plus 29. 2a equivalent to 37b plus 29. This can be written as 2a equivalent to 36b plus 28 plus b. 2a equivalent to 36b plus 28 plus 28 plus b plus 1. 37b. If you see, this is an even number. So b minimum is 1. B minimum is 1. If b minimum is 1, what will be the answer? 37 plus 30. Answer for this question is 67. Answer for this question is 67. 74 is a composite number. Composite number can be written as a product of coprimes. It is 2 into 37. When you divide by 2, odd number divided by 2, it gives a remainder 1. It gives a remainder 1. When you divide a number by 37, 2 into 237 divided by 37, 37 6 are 222, remainder is 15, 15 2s are 30. So when divided by 2, it gives a remainder 1. When divided by 37, it gives a remainder 30. 2a equivalent to 1 if it comes to the right hand side, 37b plus 29. 2a equivalent to 36b plus b plus 28 plus b plus 1. Even number, even number, even number. So b minimum is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear. 37, 27. Key point 2. Key point 2. Key point 2. Please write down. Key point 2. Divisibility rule for. Divisibility rule for. Divisibility rule for 99, comma 101, comma 99, 99. Already we discussed, we will discuss it again just with some more examples. We have discussed it in one example. Divisibility rule for 99, 100 and it both will give you the same answer, Rajat. Even if you do it for A also, it will give you. Divisibility rule for 99, 101 and 4 nines. Now see here. Reminder 1. 10 square divided by 99 is 1. Already we did it in prime numbers example. This concept. 10 square divided by 101 is 100 divided by 101 is minus 1. So what is the divisibility rule? Start from unit digit. Start from unit digit. Start from unit digit. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Add them. If you are adding them, that is the divisibility rule for 99. That is the divisibility rule for 99. 99. Add and subtract them. Add and subtract them. That is the divisibility rule for 101. Please make a note of it. Divisibility rule for 99, 101 and 4 nines. Divisibility rule for 99, 101 and 4 nines. 10 square divided by 99, 1. 10 square divided by 101 is minus 1. Start from the unit digit. Take a group of, start from the unit digit. Take a group of 2 digits. Add them. If you add them, you will get the divisibility rule for 99. Why we are adding them? It is plus 1. Add and subtract them. It is nothing but the divisibility rule for 101. With 3-4 examples, we will solve this one. This is something which we discussed as a part of prime number problem. So I am just doing a recap. Divisibility rule for 99, 101 and 4 nines. 4 examples. 4 examples. I hope the idea is clear. 4 examples. Examples. First one. 2323 divided by 101. 2323 divided by 101. These are nothing but 23 into 10 square plus 23 divided by 101. 100 divided by 101 minus 1 minus 23 plus 23 0 minus 23 plus 23 0. Remainder 1. 71 divided by 99. These are nothing but, take a group of 2 digits and add them. 71 into 2 divided by 99. So this is 71 2s are 142 divided by 99, which is 43. 43. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. That is the divisibility rule for 99. Add and subtract them. That is the divisibility rule for 101. Reminder 1. 3456 divided by 7 divided by 99. Odd number of digits. 34567 divided by 9. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. So this will become 67 plus 3, 70, 70 plus 45, 115, 99 divided by 115. Answer is 16. Answer is 16. Even number of digits, even number of digits, odd number of digits, odd number of digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. 67 plus 3 plus 45. 115 divided by 99, which is 16. Next one, fourth one. Remainder of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 divided by 101. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 divided by 101. So this will become, take a group of 2 digits. Alternatively plus minus, alternatively plus minus. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. In the next slide, some important conclusions I will discuss. Divisibility rule for 99, 101. Start from unit digit, take a group of 2 digits and add them. That is the divisibility rule for 99. Start from unit digit, take a group of 2 digits, alternatively add and subtract them. That is the divisibility rule for 101. Please make a note of some important conclusions. Some important conclusion. These are some problems which I am sure you might have understood it right very fast, because we have done enough problems of this model. Conclusion. Conclusion. First one. Any 2-digit number, any 2-digit number written even number of times, any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by, is always divisible by 101. Very important key point. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. For example, reminder 1, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. 21 is written 4 times, divided by 101. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. If I take a group of 2 digits, 21, 21, 21. So this will become alternatively add and subtract. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. One more question. I hope this conclusion is clear to you. Any 2-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 101. Is always divisible by 101. Suppose if the question is 53, 51, 52, 54 divided by 202, 202. 51, 52, 53, 54 divided by 202. 202 is 2 into 101. 2 into 101. Any number, even number when divided by 2, remainder will be 0. Divisibility rule for 101. Take a group of 2 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. 54 minus 2, 2. 51 minus 3, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So answer is, the number is perfectly divisible by 202. The number is perfectly divisible by 202. 202 is 2 into 101. Numerator is an even number. Even number, it is divisible by 2. 101. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. 54 minus 2, 52. 51 minus 3, minus 2. 2 minus 2. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So answer is, it is perfectly divisible by, right, 202. I hope divisibility rule for 101 and 99 is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if key point number 2 is clear. Key point 2, is it clear to you? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Key point 2, I hope it is clear. Key point 2. Take a group of 2 digits starting from unit digit, add them. That is the divisibility rule for 99.